Hi guys, it's Tony from Tony's RC Tech, and I've got my A959 upgraded. As you can see, all upgraded there and everything like that. This is an A959, not a B. It is an A959, and I've upgraded it. Anyways, right. So what I'm doing today is, while I'm recovering from my nose, I thought I might as well do a couple of projects. I actually took this out a couple of months ago and I flipped it over, and because this is 4 years old, the chassis gets a bit brittle underneath after like obviously 4 or 5 years old. So as it's tumbled over, it's basically broke the chassis. So I'm thinking, shall I get a metal chassis? Shall I just put a plastic one on again? I don't know. But me, oh yeah, I'll just show you that. Me being me, I always like to fix things first before I buy stuff. Why spend when you don't have to, or you try to? So ignore all the white stuff there, I was just practicing underneath. Anyways, who sees underneath anyway? Right, there's the crack, as you can see. Right, so wait, I nearly said it, So I'm going to fill the crack, put myself up. Right, I'm going to fill the crack in with epoxy glue. Yeah, sets in 5 minutes. So I'm going to fill that in. Right, okay. I wasn't thinking about putting a metal plate. Still might do that, I don't know, on a later date. But I used epoxy glue for when the chassis broke on the Outlaw, and it's still working now. So anyway, you don't even recognise this stuff. So it's stuff what you put on holes when you plasterboard, and you stick it over the plasterboard, and then you fill it in, and then it fills. So basically, there it is. I'm going to get the epoxy, let that set first, then I'm going to put that piece on. I'm going to put that piece on there, fill it with epoxy, and hopefully it'll work. I'll leave it to dry for about, I don't know, I'm going to leave it for about a week. Don't even touch it. That's what I've done with the FTX Outlaw, and it's set like hard plastic. So anyway guys, wish me luck on that, and then I'll just, obviously I'm not going to do the build video, but I'm going to do now, and then when I've done it. Okay guys, in a while, crocodile. Right, I'm back now guys, and that's dried nicely now. So that's nicely dried there, nicely sealed there. The next stage will be putting this bit on. Okey-doke. Right guys, I put that on there now, right? It's not dried yet. I decided to put a double layer on it, right? But what I've done is cut it the opposite way. So when I put it on, it's got like a crisscross, so it gives it more strength, and hopefully it'll be okay. Back with you in a bit. Right guys, I just thought I'd show you what this building stuff is. It's repair damaged walls and ceilings. You can get it from any building merchants. Anyway, so it comes in this like plastic form, like sheet, netting sheet, and then you also get as well like metal. So whoever's into like upgrading as well can use this as well. So the reason is, this is what I used on my Outlaw. If you go back to my video on my Outlaw, you'll see this mesh around the windows, and it's quite good. Anyway, let me try and just show you. So anyway, it's fantastic for repairing any kind of damaged stuff if you use that epoxy glue, which is amazing. And anyway, what I thought I'd do is, that's like, right, so that's drying now. Yeah, so that's drying. So what I thought I'd do is cut a piece of the metal sheet and just place it here, so it'll be like that. So that'll even give it more strength, right, on the chassis. And then, because I don't want the same happening to this on this side, obviously you've got the spare gear there, so I'm going to just put that across there like that, just to give it a bit more strength. So that's it really. I just thought I'd show you that stuff because it's absolutely amazing stuff, and again, you can do loads of things with it. and I think it'd be good as well if you've got like a grill, you know, like if you want to do a grill for your RC cars and that, and put that behind the grill. So I don't know, paint it silver or black, and that should be, it might be alright for the grill. That looks like a grill. Anyway, that's just me, mind going all over the place. Anyways, right, back to you when this is all glued in. I'm done. Right guys, there it is, it's fixed. Right, so after many hours of waiting for different coats to dry and all that, like, so I'm gonna, not even gonna go out with this anyway. I can't go out anyway because I'm housebound in case I get infections off my operation. But anyways, when this is all ready, I'm going to leave it anyway, so I don't suggest you just leave it for about 5 days, guys, if you can, and that will set hot, solid, rock hard. So again, if it breaks, you know what I mean, if it breaks, it's alright, because I'll just put this one on, you know what I mean. So this is like near enough new. So you know, if you can fix it, guys, fix it. You know, try it first, you know, just don't throw it away. Just think, oh, can I fix this? And this is how we learn on YouTube, because we all help each other and learn from each other. So this is how I fix my chassis anyway, and it worked on the Outlaw, and I bashed that to hell, and it's still on there. So I'm open. I'm not going to be bashing this to hell, like, because this is just a speed demon, as you'll see in a minute. But anyway, not in a minute, because I'll just do, anyway, you'll know. Anyways, so I'm going to now, I'm going to, obviously, because this looks a bit tatty, and I don't like tattiness, so I'm going to give this a good spray black or something like that, and back in a sec. Right guys, that's now prepped now for spray. So I'll give it a blast. Just put some duct tape and all that around there. If it gets on a little bit, it doesn't really matter, but I'm only giving it blasts like that. So don't give it a big heavy one, so that should be okay. Oh, the glue's coming off the fish tank there. Fish tank, there you go. Anyway, right, so I'll spray this now in a sec. Right guys, and there it is, the bottom of the chassis, all done. Looks well better now, doesn't it, guys? Looks well better. Ooh, Tony's RC Tech boom sticker. If you want one, email me. Anyway, there you go. Looks fantastic now with that. Right, so I put it all together, and if I just turn it around, there we go. It's got a 3S battery in it as well. So, there's my turnstile, so I can just show you the beautiness of this. What I've done a lot of work to this, you know, guys. Again, 5 years old, and you know, done all right. I'll just do the servo. Look at that, good response there. So anyway, let me just try this a minute. So I'll just show you this. I'm gonna put it at full blast, but I'll just show you. Look at that, nearly lifting up. It's not even full power, that, guys. Not even full power. Love this little car, I do. I love it. Anyway, I've got 47 miles an hour out of this, so I don't know if I can get any more out of it, but anyway. There is my homemade turnstile as well. So, oh, let me put the body on. Hang on. Make it look professional. Professional. There you go. Look at that. And there it is. The A959 upgrade. 550 motor in it. And then obviously underneath. Looks well better now, guys, doesn't it? Yep, anyway, guys, still recovering from my nose operation. Got loads of projects to do, might as well do it while I'm off. And that's Tony's RC Tech. Out. Boom. Thanks for watching, love yous all.